Hey friends, if the new tab customize option is missing in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So open Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select Help and Feedback and click on About Microsoft Edge. This will start checking for updates and update it to the latest version. Now, why is this required? This is required because Microsoft Edge has this option for new tab customizations, but it is relatively new. It didn't exist earlier. So you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of Microsoft Edge. And the next one is to reset Microsoft Edge. So click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select settings from the menu, then go to reset setting on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to the default value and finally click on reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.